Yep, start.
Okay. So, now, what is the first term of this now? If you didn't do the cubic that I asked you to do on Friday, or you are not sure what you did, or you are sure you did it wrong, as I've seen one or two, can you please signify? Okay, so these are the people I need to contribute to this. If you have done it perfectly, then maybe you shouldn't. But if you have not done it, that's the purpose. Please contribute, let's figure this out together. All right, so what's the first term?
A plus B plus C plus D.
A plus B plus C plus D. What's the second term? 8A. If you have done it, please don't say anything. I need others to have the chance. What's the second term?
8A plus 4.
Who doesn't know how we got this?
4B.
If you 4B, if you don't know how we got all this, please raise your hand. Everybody knows. So please, can you say something? All right. What's the next one? 2C plus D. All right. For the third term, that's putting 3 here, right? So what do we get?
27A
27A
plus 9B
plus 9B
plus 3C
plus 3C
plus D.
plus D. What's the next term? I'm going to take one more.
64A
64A
plus 16B
from 16B
plus 4C
plus 4C plus D. Right? Okay, so let's see the first difference. Uh-oh. How can you take a blue marker and it comes black? What kind of magic is that? Alright, so what do we have?
7A
7A
plus 3
plus 3B
plus C
plus C. How about here?
19A
19A
plus 5B
plus 5B
plus C
plus C.
plus D.
How about here?
Oh my god.
It's the same thing.
Oh! Okay, we draw from here. Just pretend it's cool, alright? Even if it is not cool to you. Alright, next. What is this?
37A.
37?
A
A?
plus 7B
That's not 7. Oh, that's 7, sorry. My bad.
Plus C.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we take the next difference. Because they are not the same, apparently.
Yeah.
So first difference not the same means it's not linear. Let's find second difference. Come on. 12A
plus 2B.
plus 2B.
Yep, that's it.
That's it. Okay? Is it the same thing again?
18A
Okay. 18A
18A plus 2B.
plus 2B. Oh, now we're having 2B. So we're going to likely get the same difference. Next line. Alright. So next line. What do we have? 6A. So how many difference gives us a constant? If we continue, this whole thing will continue to be 6A. Alright?
Yeah.
So what does that mean? So these are the parts that you need. This, and this. So what are the equations? What are the statements you wrote out?
6A the third
6A is equal to
third difference.
third difference. Does everybody agree with that?
Yep.
Okay, what is the second thing you wrote?
12A plus 2D is first term.
12A plus 2B equals what?
First term of second difference.
Can we see that? 12A plus 2B equals what? Talk to me, people.
Second difference.
Second difference?
First
Term of second difference. Because second difference is more than 1 and it's not the same. First term of second difference. So what is the next equation?
7A plus 3B plus C. First term of first difference.
First term of first difference. Okay?
A plus B plus C plus D. First term of original sequence.
A plus B plus C plus D is first term of original sequence. For those of us that did it, did you get all this?
Yeah.
Exactly. So if you didn't do it, now you know what to use if you encounter a cubic sequence. Okay?
Yep.
I think I'm going to move a step forward here so you can see that it's the same. A step forward will give me what? Can somebody help? 125A, right? Plus 25B plus 5C plus D. And the difference here, what is that?
61.
61A, is that an B plus C, right? And if you go this way, the next one, what is that?
24.
24A
Plus.
plus 2B. And if you do this, 18 and 24, 6A. So you're right. So you may use this for, is number one a quadratic sequence or cubic?
Cubic.
So you got your constant difference at the third difference, right? Good. What about number two?
Quadratic.
Quadratic sequence. What about three?
I'm not.
You're not there yet. Good. All right.
Good.
Good. Good that you're not there yet. Yes, ma'am. Let's compare this one, I'm sure.
You know, when I first
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As Andy shall be explained.
So I rewrote this here.
Is it the first one? So what do you get? Instead of 68, what do you get? Instead of 68, which is the last difference, what do you get? This is for fourth, right? So instead of 68, which is the last combined time, what do you get? The first one is 8, the second one is 8.
Just autistic.
Yeah. Something is just some minor.
Yeah.
But you told me the answer last time. And I told you not to worry. But that was the right answer. You said 24. Remember asking that? Yeah, that was the answer. I just don't want to what I got.
I finished one.
Finish one? Compare with.
I finished three. I finished three more.
Compare your notes.
She was.
Compare your notes. So please finish 1, 2, 3.
You're correct, ma'am.
I'm going to put number 4 over here. It's going to be a bit tricky. And I need you to think outside the box.
Which one?
My number 4, I'm about to write it. I don't know what question yet, but I'm about to write it.
First term.
First term or first sequence. My bad. Ah, come on, guys. You couldn't even tell me I wrote rubbish on the board.
You wrote rubbish on the board.
Yes.
What? I thought you said you wrote rubbish on the board. That's so funny, Candy.
What did she say? You couldn't tell me I wrote rubbish on the board. First time or first time? What does that even mean?
Oh, it's okay.
Don't cry.
I'm not crying. I'm just angry. Anyway, first time or first difference. Thank you, sir, for that.
This one is quadratic. Right? Candy,冇嘢啦，我有啦，我呢度有個 equation 係數。呢個係 2A 嘅。哦，呢個係識講㗎，B 係識永遠定唔係啊？然之後就係嘅 G
Are you showing me something?
Yeah.
突然间自己脑跳跳。哦，
剑还是
彩虹屁什么意思？啊，係啊。我等陣你講呢樣嘢，你可唔可以寫 equation 出嚟？因為我寫咗 equation 出嚟。
Factorial of 4, I'm writing like this. Factorial of 1 is 4. So that's the next one is factorial of 5. Factorial is a pattern. So for a sequence to power k, the last common difference is remember, this is cubic. So this is 3 factorial. Did you notice this? That's what you just noticed, so I tried to convince him. Yeah.
What is that?
That's factorial. The next one will be 120. No, the next one will be 24. Then 120. Then 720. Factorial is cubed. Now she's weird. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, I did this one. What I did here. All right. Is it being used?
Oh, yeah.
Girls.
No, so look, the 3 factorial is 6. So the k is 6. It's 3 from there.
I did.
Are you done with your 3 questions? Quiet, please. Find the end term of that.
Where is it working?
Is someone doing it already? Question 4. So try, make attempt. Don't ask me how to yet. Can you what?
No, I'm saying, can I do like the find the top or bottom?
Yeah. I don't tell lies here. So believe me when I say.
Is it prime number day?
Today is 25.
Yeah.
It's square number day.
So you're happy on square numbers equal
Prime number months.
months? It's not prime number month.
It's February.
It is.
Last time I checked,
Oh yeah, I forgot.
it's the only odd number that is even number.
You mean even number that is prime number?
It's the only odd number that is even number.
Odd number that's
Odd because it's weird.
odd number.
Odd in terms of weird.
Do you know that one?
Yeah, something like it's not normal, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's
All other prime numbers are odd numbers. So it's the only prime number that is even. So that's like the weird. Don't tell anyone we miss you. Okay, but don't tell anyone. You need help with the first one? No. You need help with the first one?
I can help you.
Yeah, you did it? So it's a fraction. Is it cubic over quadratic or quadratic over cubic?
The answer is. Let me sit. I got your answer. I haven't break to build up your confidence. At least I trust you that your answer is correct. Both sides.
Guys, get your work done. Figure out the sequence. Yanko, what are you doing over there?
You said it's break?
It's not break. It's past break already.
So why do you not break so fast?
Jacking all my stuff, brother.
Raise your hand if you figure out number 4. Everyone, can I have silence in the class now? Everyone, can I have silence in the class now?
Yes.
So now you know your ABC. What is the end sound form?
Yeah.
It was teamwork, but I was most work. Okay.
So
Does anybody have question? Linear sequence, quadratic, or cubic? Does anybody have question?
shut up.
No question, I guess.
Okay, go number 2.
Are you done with your book? So she's passing out the type 4, which is the exponential sequence. It's a small slip to explain what it's all about, so we don't have to write too much in the class. Please, once you get that slip, stick it somewhere in your notebook so you don't lose the information. It's really hard for me.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm saying anything.
Oh, if you're back from work.
I
apologize.
know what
Rita, yes? Finish? Did you come here? You got the same thing? Alright, so I'll just ask people to tell me what the answers are. Or you can just check with the other row. Once you get the same thing, then we can save the time of checking if you're right. The bottom line is I want everybody to be used to how to use this formula or create a formula for itself.
Calculate the top and the bottom separately and then combine them.
What do you mean? Yes, exactly.
I think
Guys, I hope number 4, you've got, is it cubic over quadratic?
Yeah.
Cubic over quadratic, alright. So that's the idea. You separate them into 2, you do them separately, you bring them back again. We have, because the class is not over. But have you finished up to number 4? No, after you just tell me n times is equal to. Okay, just write n times is equal to. Guys, please look at your note. Look at the slip I gave you now.
yeah, I know.
What does it say? Exponential sequence. Can we stop sketching, please? This is math class, not art class. So how do you know a sequence is linear?
If it has only a square.
Only no square.
Oh, no square.
No. That is how to know from the end term.
Yeah.
I give you a list of numbers. How do you know it is linear?
If the first difference is the same.
If the
First difference.
first difference is the same. Then, before you find the first difference, how do you know without finding the first difference?
It looks like something like odd number, even number.
No, it could be a mix.
Oh, it's not. Sorry.
No, it could be a mix. But there's something you can observe. Good point she's raising though. There's something you can observe. Guys, I'm talking to everybody now. I give you a list of numbers. You're not allowed to find the first difference, with that triangular thing.